How to watch ESPN Zone content. Step number 1, understand ESPN Zone availability. ESPN Zone was a chain of sports-themed venues, but these locations are no longer operational. Focus on accessing ESPN content through their digital and streaming platforms. Step number 2, access ESPN content online. Visit the ESPN website to explore live sports, highlights, and news. Download the ESPN app on your smartphone, tablet, or streaming device for access to live events and shows. Step number 3, subscribe to ESPN Plus. Sign up for ESPN Plus to enjoy exclusive live sports, original shows, and documentaries. Log in to your account on the ESPN app or website to access ESPN Plus content. Step number 4, use streaming services. Subscribe to streaming platforms like Hulu Plus Live TV, YouTube TV, Sling TV, or Fubo TV, which includes ESPN channels. Access live and on-demand ESPN content through these services. Step number 5, watch on cable or satellite TV. Ensure your TV subscription includes ESPN channels. Use your remote to tune into ESPN for live games and shows. Step number 6, create a similar viewing experience. Set up a home entertainment system to recreate the sports viewing atmosphere of ESPN Zone. Stream games with friends or family to enjoy a sports-themed experience.